Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Ali Abbas and I am here in Houston today. This is a beautiful Buddhist temple. So I'm very thankful to Mr. Thich. He invited me over here before 2 days before I interview him, and I like the festival very much and their style of prayer is very good. So can you tell me your name and introduce yourself, please?
Oh, my name is Trang Nguyen, and MC, also a teacher who teach Vietnamese and dancer for the kids.
Okay, you trained them to dance.
Yes.
And you are from Vietnam.
Yes.
I like the style very much that first of all you make the performance and then pray and then performance and then pray. So like this people are involved and people take interest from this. How you train this beautiful daughters?
Oh, they've been with me for more than 10 years.
10 years?
Yes.
Oh,
Since they was
they look like 10 years.
since they was 4 or 5 years old. Right now
Okay.
they are 13 or 14, some 16. And I also have some students who's already in college.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have group like almost 30 students. But day by day they grow up and they go college, and then we had a small team. And you see the small one, the one I just
Yeah.
yeah, they just come, and then they only like 4 or 5 years old. Yeah, that's
Okay.
a new group.
Thank you. Ma'am, how are you?
I'm good.
Please tell me your name and what is your profession, what you do.
I'm one. I'm an insurance agent at New York Life, and
Okay.
I'm a parent of a girl in the performance team. And today I'm here to learn about the festival here and see my daughter to perform.
This festival happens every week or once in a month, or what was the occasion this happens?
2 years.
2 times a year. Oh, it means I'm very lucky that before 15 days I was here
Very
and I got
special.
to
Yeah.
see this festival. Hello, how are you?
Good.
What is your name, please?
My name is Me, and I'm here to study about Buddhist religion.
Okay, you study in the University of Houston?
No, I'm still in high school.
Oh, you're a student in high school.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are here to learn the Buddhism?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me till now what you have learned. Tell me about something about Buddha teachings and philosophy and concepts about Buddha.
I know that
Anything you can say about this today's event, what you like?
everything can be forgiven.
Okay, everything can be forgiving. Okay. good.
About today's lecture, what's the meaning? A compassion, remember? Be compassionate towards yourself.
So you are coming here often here in this temple?
Yeah.
Really Hollywood weekend. She only came here in a big event because her house really far from here, almost an hour from here.
Okay.
So she only come on the big events.
Big events.
Yeah.
Okay. So I like Mr. Thich. Thank you very much for the invitation. I like the style very much that I told you before also. So please tell me about little bit about this event. That first of all, the people came here, the kids came here, and he was like a horse and going and this coming. So please tell me what is the philosophy of this all event?
Well, during the years, we have several special celebrations. So this, the Compassion Bodhisattva celebration is one of them. And we want to get everyone involved. You can see that when we do this type of celebration, we want to get everyone involved to recite the sutra, to have the dance, and to listen to the lecture of sermon and so forth, so that they can enjoy the spiritual communities.
Okay, spiritual. What is your name?
My name is Haley.
Haley. How are you, Haley?
I'm 15.
You're 15. Okay, and you were performing today?
Yeah.
You like the performance? Who trained you? You performed very well. Oh my God! Everyone is telling. I was looking around. You were master of ceremony. Okay. What is your name?
My name is Helen.
Helen. Okay. What you do?
I dance.
You dance and you study. In which class?
What grade do you know?
7.
7. Tell me something about Buddhism.
That you should always be compassionate.
Okay. And anything else? Okay, you tell something about Buddhism and the religion. Anything you learned today or maybe after before?
It's always good to give forgiveness.
Forgiveness. Always Buddha teach about forgiveness. Okay, what is your name?
My name is Brittany.
Okay, what do you do?
Dance.
You dance. Okay. Hello, how are you?
I'll get it.
What is your name?
My name's Lily.
Okay, thank you. Hello, sir. How are you?
How are you?
What you do? You are here looking after the temple.
I'm actually first name Jimmy, and last name Ta. I actually my two sons follow the master for a long time. Yeah, can tell you.
Yeah. Please. Hello, how are you?
Your name,
Your name?
your grade, how old are you?
I'm 11.
11. Okay. You are performing today.
Yes.
Okay. How long it take you to training for the performance?
About practicing 4 times.
Okay. So did you enjoy this?
Yes.
So what you learned the message today?
Always pray to the Buddha, and if you pray to the Buddha, he'll help you.
Okay. Who is going to tell me where Buddha born? Not you. Not you. The kids.
You guys so many.
Yes. Who is going to tell?
When
No, and forget about when. Just tell where.
tell you right now.
Where? Where?
Wait.
Where in Vietnam?
No, the Buddha was born in like what's it called? A kingdom, like a castle, like
Kingdom, yes, but
like
what
he
is the
started,
name?
like he started off as Prince Siddhartha.
Yes, he was a prince, right? You are right.
Start with I.
India.
India, before it was. Did you know? No.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank
It
you.
was very nice meeting you.
Remember,
Thank you very much.
he not Buddhist,
Thank
but
you.
he lecture Buddhist.
Thank you. Yeah.
In Pakistan, I get asked if this monk. Well, I'm now up there. All monastery, they ruin monastery there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that, but he include Buddha teaching. He love. Can you tell them how much you love Buddhism so that they can appreciate?
Yeah, because there is the complete series about Buddha. I like the teaching of Buddha. So there is a complete series of 55 episodes. I watch all the episodes and I make notes. And whenever there is, I deliver the lectures. So whenever there is a talk on forgiveness, for compassion, and for the development of the mind to open the third eye, so I give the reference of Buddha because he enlightened himself, because he left his all the his castle, and he goes to the jungle and he do their meditation, and he want to know about the nature, the universe. So that's why it was the interest area of me. Thank you very much.
So you just came here, for 5 years, right?
No, in 5 years I come, like you can say 2-3 years.
2-3 years,
5
right?
years.
But your family background is Muslim.
Yes, I'm Muslim.
But
Alhamdulillah.
how could you like to study and even give lecture to Buddhism? Why is that?
Yeah, but I actually learn all the religions, all the school of thoughts.
Okay.
Which things I get good, I adopted that. And I think this is the real philosophy of life. Don't hate anybody, and if you are liking something from any school of thought, adopt that.
Oh, that's wonderful. Right, and Buddha close to your home.
Yeah, Buddha.
Thank you.
I have visited.
One day we'll go to Pakistan. You can walk me around.
Yeah, definitely. I invite you all people, because there are the first university there is of Buddha in Taxila. There is a Taftbai in Pakistan near Peshawar. There are stupas over there, and Buddha. Some people say that Buddha also live over there for some time. So I hope and I welcome you in Pakistan.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.